Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if a over a plus 1 whole to the power 2 plus a over a minus 1 whole to the power 2 is equal to 12, then find the value of a. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of a from this equation. So student, our given equation is a over a plus 1 whole to the power 2 plus a over a minus 1 whole to the power 2 is equal to 12. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 whole to the power 2 minus, in the place of 2ab we can write in here 2 times a, that is a over a plus 1. So you have to write in here a over a plus 1 times, in the place of b we have to write a over a minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 12. We can write from the first term on the left hand side a times a minus 1 plus a times a plus 1 over a plus 1 times a minus 1 whole to the power 2 minus, we can write from the second term on the left hand side 2 times a over a plus 1 times a minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side we get 12. So after that we can write from the first term on the left hand side of this equation a square minus a plus a square plus a over, according to this formula we can write in the place of denominator a square minus 1 whole to the power 2. So minus, in the place of second term we can write in here 2 square over, similarly according to this formula we can write in the place of denominator in this fraction a square minus 1 is equal to 12. So student, in this algebraic expression, in the place of numerator we can cancel plus a and minus a. So after that we can write in here a square plus a square, that is 2 square over, again we have to write a square minus 1 whole to the power 2 minus, again we have to write 2 square over a square minus 1 is equal to 12. Student, let 2 square over a square minus 1 is equal to x. Then this equation will becomes x square minus x is equal to 12. So after that we have to transpose 12 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side of this equation the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 12. So first of all we have to multiply 1 with 12, then you get 12, and we have to factorize 12. 3 4 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4. After that, according to factorization, we can write from the left hand side x square minus, in the place of 1 we can write 4 minus 3 times x minus 12 is equal to 0. So after that we can write from the left hand side x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation x times x minus 4 plus 3 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side in both term x minus 4 is present. So that's why we can take common x minus 4 from both term. So we have to write in here x minus 4 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write from this equation x is equal to 4. So student, the value of x will be 4, and in this equation the value of x will be minus 3. Again we have to put the value of x in this equation. So the value of x is 2a square over a square minus 1 is equal to 4. So student, we can divide the left hand side and right hand side by 2, and after that we can write from this equation a square is equal to 2 times a square minus 1. So after that we can write in here a square is equal to 2 a square minus 2. So student, after that we have to transpose 2 a square from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes a square minus 2 a square is equal to minus 2. So student, we can write from the left hand side minus a square is equal to, on the right hand side we can write minus 2. On both sides we can cancel minus. Okay, so after that, to find the value of a from this equation we have to transpose the power 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Then we can write in here a is equal to plus minus square root of 2. This is the value of a. So student, similarly we have to put the value of x in this equation. So we can write from this equation 2 a square over a square minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So after that, according to cross multiplication rule, we can write from this equation 2 a square is equal to minus 3 times a square minus 1. So after that, on the left hand side again we have to write 2a square is equal to, on the right hand side we can write minus 3a square minus into minus plus, and 3 times 1, that is 3. So student, to find the value of a from this equation we have to transpose minus 3a square from right hand side to left hand side. So on the left hand side we can write 2a square plus 3a square is equal to 3. After that, we can write from the left hand side 5 square is equal to on the right hand side again we have to write 3. So student, to find the value of a from this equation we have to transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So on the left hand side we have to write a square is equal to on the right hand side will be 3 over 5. So student, to find the value of a from this equation we have to take square root on both sides. So the left hand side will becomes the square root of a square is equal to on the right hand side will be plus minus the square root of 3 over 5. So we can cancel square root and square. Then on the left hand side will becomes a is equal to on the right hand side will be plus minus square root of 3 over 5. So student, in the given equation the value of a will be plus minus square root of 2 or plus minus the square root of 3 over 5. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.